Hello. Before you say anything about my disgusting voice, I know. It sounded rude. I'm sorry. So, anywho, I'm gonna try, at least, to stop being awkward. And I have a Discord server, and as you saw in my first video, the introduction, I said that I'm desperate for friends. So, this is the invite. If you just want to copy it, you can do that, but I'll probably put it in the description of all my videos in the future. Feel free to join, even if you're not from Movie Star Planet, if you're just watching my videos or whatever. Feel free to do that, because I am very, very, very desperate for friends. I have my best friend, like IRL, and she's a queen. I love her, and I love my BF, but I'm not allowed to see a sister, or text him, really, because his mom doesn't like me, which is iconic. I'm sorry, I'm trying way too hard to be funny, just ignore me. But yeah, if you guys want to be friends or something, just go on here and hit me up. I'm very easy to talk to. I have a weird sense of humor. You might be disgusted, or you might laugh a lot, or you might just be like, wow, you're insane. But yeah, if you're interested in being my friend, there might be more people on the server. I'm probably gonna invite my current Discord friends, but yeah, they're all pretty friendly, and by them all, I mean I'm just gonna add like one person, and that's pretty much it, but I'm friendly, and that's pretty much all I have to say. So if you want to join, talk about rare trades, talk about YouTubers, spill the tea, because I'm gonna make a tea channel, not on YouTube, on Discord. I won't be doing calls with a lot of people, because you could be my best friend in the whole world, and I don't like calling. I don't know what it is, but I'll be very welcome to people chatting with me and whatnot, so don't be afraid, because I'm going to Disney on October 3rd, and if you're coming down, come on down. I probably said that wrong. But for real, if you want to, go the heck ahead, boyos. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking.